Now, regarding our position, let's see how it will play off. Okay, have some pretty nice candles here. Hello everyone, and thanks for being here. This is Chris from 𝐂𝐫𝐢𝐥 Trading, and I hope you're having an amazing and chill weekend. Today I'm going to share with you a crypto day trading strategy that I'm going to test in the next period. As you may already know, until now I've been involved in forex trading, but lately I became interested in crypto day trading also, and I found some pretty good and easy strategies that might be helpful for you too. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you here in our next videos also, because we are going to talk about other crypto day trading strategies, forex day trading, FTMO, financial education, and other related subjects. So, going back to the main subject, for this strategy we are going to use two time frames, the 5 minutes one and also the 1 hour time frame. We will need the 1 hour anchor chart because we have to identify the major trend, and the 5 minutes time frame will be our main and will be used to identify our entry points based on the trend. Also, for this strategy, we will need two indicators, and I will set them right now. First of all, we will need the SSL channel. It's this one, and also I will use for this strategy the 50 EMA. Okay, let me put the inputs for the EMA because the length requested is the 51, and you can style it as wish. Okay, the standard inputs for the SSL channel are 1010, so no changes here. That's how we will use this indicator. Okay, first of all, in this strategy we have to go on the anchor chart, so we will go on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and here we use only the SSL channel, so for the moment I will hide the 50 EMA because not requested here on this time frame, in order for us to have a clear chart here. If you don't know the meaning of this SSL channel, it is an indicator that is designed to show us when a price trend is forming. So if the green line is on the top of the red line, this indicates us that we're looking at an uptrend. And of course, when the red line is above the green line, as you can see here, we are looking at a downtrend. Now, for example, in order for us to be interested in a buy entry on this anchor chart, we have to look for the moments when the green line have crossed above the red line, because this indicates us that there is formed an uptrend. Personally, after this cross, I prefer to wait another few candles in order for me to be sure that the trend is confirmed. Now, having this instance here, we will switch our chart to the 5 minutes one, because we have this uptrend formed here. Let's go on the 5 minutes chart, and here I will hide the SSL channel, and I will use only the 50 EMA. Okay, now as we can see, the price is above the 50 EMA and is going nice to the upside. For the entry signal, we will wait for the price to retest the 50 EMA, so let's find an instance. Okay, here we have a retest, and after the retest we will place a buy order after the closing of the next candle, which should be mandatory a bullish engulfing one. And if you are not familiar with this term, let me explain it to you first, because it is very important for this strategy. So let's say this is the bearish candle that have tested the 50 EMA. The bullish engulfing pattern is formed when the next candle is a bullish one and it opens at the close or lower than the close of the previous candle. It closes above the previous candle's open. So the length of the bullish candle has to engulf the previous red candle. Now, going back to the 5 minutes chart, let's see if we get any entry here after the 50 EMA retest. Okay. Here we do not have a bullish engulfing because this candle actually is a bullish one, and it's not a pattern that we are looking for. But here we have a bearish candle, and yes, we have this bullish candle that for sure engulfs the previous candle. So here we have to open the buy position at the end of the engulfing candle. Okay, so put a long position here, and the stop loss should be placed a few points below the base of this bullish engulfing formation. So this is the bullish engulfing formation, and we will put the stop loss somewhere below this wick. Regarding the target point, we have to look on the next important resistance zones that might be end for our uptrend, and let's see what we have here. So as we can see here, the price tried several times to break this resistance zone, and after the retest of this level, the trend have shifted to the downside. So we can mark this zone. It's okay, and I will put my target right here, some this zone. However, I strongly recommend you to backtest this strategy prior using in the real market, because that's how you will refine your target and exit points. Because I don't know, you may expect the price to hit a higher or a lower target than I've set it here. Now, regarding our position, let's see how it will play off. Okay, have some pretty nice candles here. And yes, our target was hit. And let's see what's our profit here. So we have plus 3.82% for this position. Plus 3.82%. It's a pretty good one. And let's search now for an example, this time for a sell position. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Okay, we will need again the SSL channel here. SSL channel. Okay, with its standard input, so no changes here. And I will also add the 50 EMA. Okay, initial, and I will set the defaults, the 50 EMA. Okay, I will hide the 50 EMA for the moment because we are on the anchor chart on the 1 hour time frame. And as we can see here, the green line crossed below the red one, so this indicator is saying to us that the trend has changed to the downside. This is the moment when we want to search for a sell trade, so we switch the time frame to 5 minutes. So let's the time frame. Okay. And I will hide the SSL channel and put the 50 EMA here. Okay, and let's see what we get in. Okay, so here we have a retest on the 50 EMA, but as we can see, there is no bearish engulfing formed here, so we are not yet interested in any position. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we've got another retest, and we have a bearish engulfing formation here, meaning that this bullish candle have retested EMA, and right after this candle, this bearish candle opened somewhere higher than the close of this candle and fully engulfed the prior candle. So I will set our sell position here at the close of this candle. The stop loss will be above our bearish engulfing formation here, and now we'll have to look for a target area, and let's zoom out a little bit to see what we will get here. Okay, and as we can see, this level was an important support several times, and this prior bearish momentum has shifted after testing this level, so I will mark this right here. Okay. And my target will be set at around here, and let's see what we get for this position. Okay, and yes, the target was hit successfully, and here we have a plus 1.51%, excuse me, 50% for this position. Okay, and now, as I already told you, more than just learning the strategy, you have to backtest this, because that's how you will find the exact rules that suit you. Maybe you will change the stop loss level, maybe you find a better way to set the targets, or maybe this works for you only on Bitcoin or Cardano or on I don't know coin. Also, please always use strict risk management rules, because we are traders, not gamblers, so calculate your positions based on a percentage that suit your trading style. I personally use 1% risk on my day trading forex strategy, but now I am going to backtest this crypto strategy and will decide if I'm gonna use a full 1% or just 0.5% risk per trade. So that's it for today. Next week I'm going to show you my results for the backtesting of this strategy on Bitcoin. Let's see what is the average win rate, gain on account, and win or losses in a row, because I'm really curious about that. See you next time, and until then, if you like this video, please show us your support. And if you have any questions, please write them down in comments or feel free to DM us on Instagram. You have the link in the description. Wish you an amazing weekend, and of course, trade safe and trust the process.